Hi guys, it's Mike from B Solar. Today we are looking at a small commercial ground mounted system containing 45 JA 550 watt panels made up of 3 strings, each string containing 15 panels per string. Going back to a Solax 25 kilowatt inverter, the array will make up 24.7 kilowatts.
Yeah.
Okay guys, as you can see, we're here early in the morning. We've got a bit of shade off the trees before the sun comes round, hence why we've had to optimise the whole system. We put T-Go optimizers on every panel with the T-Go gateway so we can monitor it on the app. So we're down in the basement of our small commercial project. We have our Solax 25 kilowatt string inverter coming into 3 separate strings, following up to our 45 panels outside of 3 strings with 15 panels each. This is powered back to a sub-main through our 63 amp isolator, going back to a 50 amp 3-phase breaker into the sub-main. So that's a Solax 25 kilowatt string inverter, 3 strings and a sub-main with a 50 amp circuit breaker. Hi guys, so we are down in the basement with our battery storage system for our commercial project. This is a Alpha T10 battery storage AC controller, which consists of 6 8.2 batteries, giving us roughly 49 kilowatts of battery storage system. This can charge and discharge at 10 kilowatts. The batteries are self-balancing, so no need to balance batteries when you add or take away batteries. This is also a load balancing system, so no need to worry about load balancing on 3-phase. It automatically does it through the T10. Okay, so our system that we was talking about earlier I've checked at the inverter downstairs, and it's generated a healthy 15.8 megawatts. Now, to roughly break that down, we installed the system at the end of March or beginning of April, and it's been about 9 months roughly. So I broke it down to around 30 days per month, 270 days in total. Dividing the 15,800 kilowatts, putting that into the equation of the divided by 270, it gives us roughly around 58 kilowatts per day that the system's generating. Now, if we take that 58 kilowatts per day and times that by 365 days of the year, it's giving you roughly between 21,000 and 22,000 kilowatts. These premises gave me an annual estimated annual consumption of 23,000 kilowatts per annum. Now, we have added a couple of car chargers to their site, so it might be going up from that, but we're happy that we've generated nearly 90% of their electricity so far.
Be smart, be green, be solar.